Many people wonder save how to save OKMindMap as an image so that they can print it out easily. Originally, in sharing, you can export OKMindMap to PNG, but this function sometimes doesn't work because that SVG library is changing. So the safest way is to use SVG export. You can export it SVG file, and you can download it on your local file, and you can open this SVG file in different SVG editor service on the internet. If you try to find Google as with the keyword SVG editor, I would recommend that Vector Paint SVG editor here. So you can change SVG into PNG or JPG using this internet SVG editor service. So from here you can open SVG. You just download it from OKMindMap service. It's on download service, and this is the SVG file. You just download it, and you can see that SVG file. You can even edit something on here like this. Then you can export this SVG file into PNG or JPEG image format. Let's use download as JPEG, PNG. So you'll see that downloaded file looks like this. You can see some of the image files are missed here. That's because that the file image information is not included in the OKMindMap. The OKMindMap image service is just relaying service, not including the image picture inside. So if you like to show that image like this, you have to convert that URL link into the data image. So you cannot see that image here, which is located just under the orange image. So let me show how you can show it on your PNG final format file. So go to here, and so this ribbon did not appear on the final. So I can check the image, and you can see that the image file is linked using HTTP format. So you just copy that link, and there is a internet service which converts that URL information into image data, which we call ImageBase64 format. So you can find that conversion utility on internet. I use this Ask Apache service. So it is a very good and free service. You provided just URL. You can Control V on this URL information here. You just copy it from the image URL information of OKMindMap node, and you just click encode and decode. After a while, you can see that the raw format, this is encoded image file information. This data information, you can Control A to select all and Control C. And we are going to paste it on the previous information. So this information you delete and paste the new information and click OK. You can see there's no change because it just changed from URL information into data image information. So you still see the same image, but the contents is actually different. So this time again, you can export it as SVG file and go to SVG service and open the new SVG, and you can see the same thing, but this lemon image is changed to the data image, so you can see the picture at the last final result of PNG transform conversion. So here now we'll try to PNG. So if you open that PNG file, we'll be able to see that lemon image here. This is not a good way to do it, but if you like to print the image, this is the only way you can convert each image as a data file, and you will be able to see it in the final PNG or JPG file as a file format, and you can print it out using image printing utilities. There are so many utilities, so there won't be no trouble printing this image files using your printer.